ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲ ಮಳಿಗೆಯನ್ನ ತೆರೆದ ಲೈಮ್ಲೈಟ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್. ಜನವರಿ 15, 2025ರಂದು ಲೈಮ್ಲೈಟ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಮಳಿಗೆಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಇದು ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಅದರ 25ನೇ ಮಳಿಗೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಮಳಿಗೆಯ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಬಲಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ನೀರವ್ ಭಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀ ಕರಂ ಚಾವ್ಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಪಾಲುದಾರ ಶ್ರೀ ಹರಿಹಂತ್ ಟಾಟರ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ನಿರ್ವಹಣಾ ತಂಡ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಜಯನಗರದ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಈ ಮಳಿಗೆ ನಗರದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಆಭರಣ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರದ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯಾದ್ಯಂತ 25 ಮಳಿಗೆಗಳ ಮೈಲಿಗಲನ್ನ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ವರಿತ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನ ಕಂಡಿದೆ.
Welcome.
So sir, हमारा 25th शोरूम का इनॉग्रेशन है एंड another बैंगलोर में जैसे कि हार्ट ऑफ जयानगर में जो लॉन्च किया है, इट्स द प्राइम एरिया ऑफ बैंगलोर एंड हम लैब-ग्रोन में इसका डायमंड्स का मैसेज ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड ऑल ओवर बैंगलोर स्प्रेड करना चाहते हैं एंड ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड बोलो. थैंक यू सर. ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड बोलो यार. थ्रू इंडिया तो है ही. यस, जैसे हमने शुरुआत की थी वी वर द ओनली वन और अभी जैसे मार्केट फॉर्म होती जा रही है वी आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी कि ये चीज़ को एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया है और अपने देश का डायमंड है. भारत में बनता है, भारत में उगता है, भारत में ही कट पॉलिश होता है, तो क्यों ना भारत में ही सबसे ज़्यादा कंज्यूम हो सर. तो ये विजन से वी आर ग्रोइंग लाइमलाइट एंड वी विश टू हैव एटलीस्ट अनदर 50 stores in 12 months. So 85 stores is what our prediction is for the next 12 months.
जैसा कि आपने बैंगलोर की जो मिलेनियल ऑडियंस है वो सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे एजुकेटेड है. ये मिलेनियल प्रोडक्ट उन लोग को अपनी चॉइसेस में बहुत वेरे वो चाहते हैं कि उनको फ्रेंडली चीज़ें मिली, नीचों का हार्म नहीं करे और पॉकेट फ्रेंडली चीज़ें मिली. तो लैब-ग्रोन डायमंड लाइमलाइट के साथ आपको बजट फ्रेंडली लॉट्स ऑफ डिज़ाइन और लॉट्स ऑफ वैरायटी मिलता है. तो जो भी आप पे आता है उसको नोज पिन से लेकर नेकलेस तक फुल वैरायटी मिलती है.
जैसे ज्वेलरी में हर एक दिक्कत है सर कि बाईबैक है या एक्सचेंज है या रीसेल है, ये सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत रहता है लेने के पहले भी. भले हम करें ना करें वो पीछे की बात है, पर ये होना चाहिए. तो लैब-ग्रोन में भी और पर्टिकुलरली लाइमलाइट के साथ आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट सेफ है. आपको 100% एक्सचेंज और 80% कैश बाईबैक करना और का चैनल लो या भारत शाइन स्कीम भी है जहाँ आप हर महीने आके आपका जो 2000, 5000, 10,000 जो भी किटी हो वो डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो. पहले 11 महीने तक 12वां महीने का इंस्टॉलमेंट लाइमलाइट की तरफ से पूरा का पूरा फ्री है. आप आशीर्वाद
स्टार्ट किया थोड़ा बहुत रुपये
But co-founder of Limelight Lab-Grown Diamonds Limited. I'm very happy to announce and inaugurate my 25th showroom in India and first showroom in Karnataka in Bangalore with Aryan Bhai. We are very very blessed to have partners like Aryan Bhai and we've made a lavish 1800 carpet showroom in the heart of Bangalore, that is Jayanagar. And as we have done in the past, we are trying to spread the right message of lab-grown diamonds across the nation. And we've come with an exquisite collection in Bangalore of exclusive lab-grown diamond jewelry, which ranges in solitaire rings, earrings, pendant sets. We've also introduced a new South Indian collection, that is close setting collection over here in lab-grown diamonds. We are very happy that the concept of lab-grown diamonds is evolving with time, and we really request the audience of Bangalore to come have a look at this product, understand this product, and then buy it. So yes, thank you so much, and we wish the best for this store in the times to come.
We will also like to just give a heart congratulations, and their support with Limelight to us was very wonderful, and a good vibing company, which gives a good vibe, and which gives a clarity of the product to the customers, which is a very great thing. And most of the brands which we don't find it very much clear with the products, and here we give you all the clarity of the products with all the details in depth.
So, and also that this is a proud Make in India product, because it's grown in India, it's manufactured in India, jewelry is made in India, then why not consume it in India as well? So this is a story of lab-grown diamonds, and we've got great government backing also, because they believe in this product, and hence today we have been able to scale so fast. As we all know that our honorable Prime Minister had also gifted a lab-grown CVD diamond to US President's wife, the First Lady. So if at that level this product is getting exchanged, then we can understand that the product is genuine, real, and at the same time has a lot of benefits, because these come of the purest quality of diamonds. It is of 100% pure carbon. Just the difference is कि ये ज़मीन के नीचे नहीं पर ज़मीन के ऊपर बनता है. But for an example, जैसे कि एक test tube baby है. Once a test tube baby is born, no one can identify a difference between a natural baby or a test tube baby. Similarly, these are test tube diamonds. Once they are born or once they are out, no one can identify the difference except you give it to labs who have the machinery where you keep it, and you get to know the difference. So there is a very, very huge difference in pricing, and that is the biggest benefit to the customer, that we don't only mine but at the same time give them affordable diamonds. So let's say a 1 carat natural diamond that costed nearly 3 to 5 lakh rupees in mine diamonds, now in lab grown diamonds will cost you anywhere between 50 to 70,000 only. So there is lot of price saving also for the customer. Customer can enjoy wearing multiple designs at multiple times, January to 15 February. Plus we have an offer of that anyone who purchases of invoice above 1 lakh rupees gets a 1 gram gold coin free.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Multiple USPs, and we try and ensure that whichever customer comes here gets a full value and merit of their jewelry that they buy from us. So firstly, there are a lot of misconceptions regarding the pricing about lab-grown diamonds. Will the pricing remain? Will customers get their value for their money? So Limelight as a brand, we offer you 100% exchange on your invoice value. We only cut the GST. We don't cut any labor like all of the brands do. We want to give the consumer 100% value of the money that he's bought a product from us. So we give 100% exchange. And in case a customer wants a cash buyback, we offer them 100% cash buyback on the gold value at the current day, and 80% cash buyback of the diamond value of the current day. So this way the customer is always secure with their purchase, because gold is, as we are aware, it's an increasing commodity. It's increasing by the day, so that's a hedge against the diamond cost. And the 80% diamond exchange that they get is something that is beneficial across all other brands. Apart from that, we also offer EMI to all our customers. We understand that all customers come from various stratas of life and they want to purchase diamonds, but sometimes their pockets might not allow them to, which is why the EMI scheme is very, very beneficial for them. They can pay in installments, but they get to enjoy wearing the jewelry today itself. So that's another benefit that we have, and we've seen great response to our EMI scheme. And lastly, we have another hidden USP, which is we offer all our consumers a free insurance policy for any product that they purchase with us. So for example, you purchase a product worth 100 rupees from us, we offer you an ICICI Lombard insurance policy worth 100 rupees. That is complimentary from Limelight side. that assures your product against theft, loss, and even damage. So consumers can remain stress-free, enjoy their jewelries, make their purchases, and also be sustainable with their choices. And lastly, not make deep purchases in their pocket. So these are a few benefits that Limelight offers compared to its competitors. And not to take the fact away, we offer 300 plus solitaires per store. We have jewelry ranging from nose pins to necklaces, Chand Balis, bracelets, bangles, pendant sets. We have south setting styles like Neerav mentioned in Bangalore. We have colored diamonds coming up. So there's a huge variety. There's a choice for every customer that enters the store. And our true wish is that you give us a chance, you come to Limelight, and we promise we won't disappoint you.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.